Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will be unboxing Pappus die cut machine. So let's get started. So here you will get handle accessories to fix with the machine. You will get a handpiece, a screw, an Allen key to fix the screw, and an end plug. Also a leaflet from Papus where all the steps to fix, emboss and die cuttings are given. So let's see how to assemble your machine first. With the machine facing towards you, remove the protective cap from the metal spindle on the right hand side of the machine. Place the handle piece onto the spindle and insert the screw. Use the Allen key to tighten the screw. Now press this end plug over the screw. So here in the leaflet, process to make sandwiches for die cutting is given stepwise. So you will be getting 4 plates, 1 A plate, the thickest one, 2 B plates and 1 C plate. The C plate is thicker than the B plate. So your machine is now ready for die cutting. Do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.